You cannot scroll for 10 seconds without seeing that distinctive brown bag. A smiling influencer holds it up. They promise you a total brain upgrade in a single mug. It is everywhere. Literally everywhere. This is the world of mushroom coffee. Specifically the brand founded by those Harvard undergrads. They have over 10,000 reviews, a nearly perfect rating. It looks like a total slam dunk. But when you start digging into the fine print, things get very weird, very fast. Let's look at the actual contents of that bag. It has 6 different adaptogenic mushrooms, things like lion's mane and cordyceps, plus some organic coffee. It sounds like a powerhouse, but the math just does not add up, and math does not lie. The bag says you get 2,000 milligrams of mushrooms per serving. That sounds impressive, until you realize it is a blend. If you divide that total by the 6 types of mushrooms included, you are left with about 333 milligrams each. Now, think about the actual science. Clinical studies on things like lion's mane usually use doses between 1,000 and 3,000 milligrams. You are getting a tiny fraction of what the researchers actually tested. It is like taking a single grain of aspirin for a massive headache. It might be in the cup, but is it actually doing anything? Probably not. It is what some people call fairy dusting. You put just enough in to list it on the label, but not enough to actually change your life. Then there is the marketing shift. In late 2025, the National Advertising Division started asking questions. They looked at the claims about all-day energy, better sleep, and laser focus. Before the investigation could even finish, the company just stopped making those claims. They just vanished from the ads. That tells you everything you need to know about the strength of their evidence. If they had the proof, they would have fought for it. Instead, they pivoted before they can be caught. But the real headache isn't the science. It is the way they handle your money. There's a massive class action lawsuit happening right now. People are reporting that they signed up for a one-time bag, but suddenly found themselves trapped in a monthly subscription. The Better Business Bureau is flooded with stories from frustrated customers. Some say the word canceled does not even exist on the website. You can skip a month. You can delay, but you cannot easily walk away. I have seen these games before, and they are exhausting. The product itself is not a fake. The mushrooms are real, and it is organic. But the gap between the marketing hype and the clinical reality is a canyon. If you try it, be careful. Select the one-time purchase option with extreme focus. Take a screenshot of your confirmation page. Set a calendar alert to check your bank statement. The coffee might go down smooth, but the business side is incredibly jagged. I do these deep dives because it is so easy to get swept up in a trend. We want the magic powder, but usually, we just get expensive marketing in a pretty bag. Keep your guard up. Watch your wallet. And always look past the influencer smile to see what the numbers are actually saying. If this helped you save some cash, that is the whole point. I would much rather tell you the truth than take a check from a company I might need to call out later. If you want to support this work, you can use the links I have provided, one for the coffee and one for a major online store. It helps me keep the lights on without needing corporate sponsors. Stay sharp. Keep questioning everything. And I will see you in the next investigation.